buns. Hey everyone, Bunny Basics here. Today's just a quick little video of a haul I did for some toys for Dory. Or mainly one main toy, and I've got a couple little extra things. It's only a small little package. It's from Beaks and Feet's Parrot Toys. They're on Facebook, and you can browse their products on Facebook. I'll put the link in the description box below. I think they might also ship internationally with some of their non wooden items or something like that, but they make a wide variety of toys, and some of them are even suitable for rabbits. So let's open it up and I'll show you what I ordered. Okay, so this is the first thing. I don't remember what these are called. It's got a little leather butterfly and some leather cord with beads. It's a foot toy, but you could also hang it for birds. I think a lot of her toys, she makes them herself, so if you want something like this but without the leather for rabbits, she could probably make it with Cecil. Hey Apollo, you good boy. You gonna chew the packaging? What else do we got? This is another foot toy. It's a little scoop with some hoops on it and some wooden spools and another little leather cord tying it together. Yeah. And that's not for you. Ooh. This might be the big thing. If I can get it out. Here's another little foot toy. It's a parrot foot toy, but I think I ordered this one for the bunnies. Just got some beads on the end and a wooden dowel in the middle and some wooden hoops in different colours. With that one? Play with that one. No. This is the main reason I ordered. I don't know if you can see that. I think it's called the Groovy Star or something like that. It's got a big star on top and these 5 hanging things with different wood blocks and beads and hoops, and Dory's going to love destroying that. And you could also get it made for rabbits, as I said, just with Cecil string instead of the leather cord down through the middle. Excuse you, that's for Dory, not for bunnies. Yeah, you tell him, Dory. Then, I don't remember if I ordered these or if these are a freebie. I forget what these are called. I'll put the name of this wood in the... Actually, it might be mahogany slices. I think maybe I did order those. And you can just use them as toy parts. And parrots love chewing those to pieces. And I think that's it. So we've got this one. The beady foot toy with the butterfly. The toy that I got for the bunnies. Another little foot toy for Dory, and the mahogany slices. So that's my order from Beaks and Feet's Parrot Toys. If you live in Australia, please check her out. She makes some really cool products. Even if you don't, she might be able to send some things internationally, both for birds and for small animals. So, like I said, any of this leather cord can be replaced with Cecil string or something to make it suitable for rabbits or other small pets. That's all I've got to say. Thank you again for watching, and I hope I'll see you soon for another video. Bye! You gotta get it. you doing?